Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Back again with me Nadia. This time I will explain how to configure a DHCP server. DHCP server. DHCP server is a device whose task is to automatically manage and assign IP address to existing client computers. DHCP server usually assigns a dynamic IP address on each client computer. DHCP server function namely managing and distributing IP address, preventing IP conflict, updating IP address automatically, and supporting IP address RIAs. Configuration steps. Open Winbox application, click MAC address, and connect. First, add the IP address for the interface that will be used as the DHCP server. The addition of the IP address is used to give the IP address to the client by using the command IP address add address 192.168.25.1/24. Interface Ether2. Press enter. Next, check to make sure the IP address has been successfully added with the IP address print command. And this is IP address and configuration. Next, configure the DHCP server setup with IP DHCP server setup command. Press enter. DHCP server interface means which interface will be given the DHCP server IP address. In here I use Ether2. DHCP address page means selection of IP network from the DHCP. In here I use IP address default, namely 192.168.25.0/24. Gateway for DHCP network is 192.168.25.1. Address to give out means the IP address range given by DHCP, namely 192.168.25.2 until 192.168.25.254. Press enter. DNS server. DNS server to provide a DNS server for the client. In here I use DNS server from Google, which is 8.8.8.8. List time. List time is the time that will be provided for borrowing IP by the client. The time used here is 10 minutes. If it has exceeded the time limit, then the IP will change. Next, press enter. After that, check the DHCP server that was created with the IP DHCP server print. And this is configuration. Next, do the test using the client by requesting the IP address from the client. Open network. In here, choose Properties, select Interface Protocol version 4, choose Obtain an IP address automatically. These two. Click OK. Wait. Then, check the IP address. Check status. Details. IP address has obtained from the client, namely 192.168.25.254 and default gateway 192.168.25.1, DHCP server 192.168.25.1, dan S 8.8.8.8. Close. Next, check the DHCP list to find out the IP address that has been used by the client along with the MAC address of those who use the IP with IP DHCP server list print. In here, IP address configuration has been done. And that's all the video from me. Hopefully it's useful and good luck, friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.